This lovely swimming pool with mahogany timber pool deck sits next to a luxurious shipping container house in the general setting of the Hamptons in New York. This beautiful house is constructed out of 7 shipping containers with 2 wings of the house comprising of the private wing with 2 bedrooms and the public wing with a double volume living space plus a private luxurious master bedroom on the first floor level. This is a view of the back side of the house showing the pool deck and the access to the swimming pool from the bedroom's wing and the living wing. This is a view of the full glazing given to the double volume living space and also the 2 bedrooms in the private section of the house accommodated in a single 40-foot shipping container. This is a side view showing the corrugated container walls, bringing out the industrial charm of the design. This is the main access to the house with this nicely paved footpath and this timber decking to the main entrance. This is a view of the living space showing the lounge area and the dining. Notably, you will see the use of full height glazing and the double volume in the living space. A view of the double volume living space, full height glazing and maximum daylighting. The living space is also painted white to create that feel of a large indoor living space. This is a view of the living space still and showing the theater staircase with a single flight connecting to the master bedroom on the first floor level. This is a closer view of the living from the dining area showing the galley kitchen and the glass connector joining the private wing of the house accommodating 2 bedrooms and a common bathroom. This is a view of the galley kitchen, notably the use of quality appliances, apartment size stainless steel appliances, high level storage cabinets, under the counter storage and a beautiful kitchen backsplash to complement the use of this kitchen space. This is a view of the kitchen from the entrance side. Notably, you'll see this tiny open shelving on the right hand side for storing foodstuffs, spices and some cookbooks. This is a view of the guest bedroom under the main staircase, accessed directly from the lobby side. This is a view of additional space on the ground floor level. This is a view of the shared bathroom on the ground floor level. You'll appreciate the use of penny tiles throughout the bathroom. This is a closer view of the glass connector between the living space and the private bedroom wing. This is a view of one of the bathrooms in the house shared between the 2 bedrooms. This is a view of one of the bedrooms with full height glazing. This is a view of the second bedroom with almost a corner style glazing with unrestricted view of the back side of the house next to the swimming pool. This is a view of the master bathroom. You'll appreciate the high quality of finishes, the fully glazed shower cubicle and the maximum daylighting with the louvered windows. This is a view of the master bedroom. You'll appreciate this headboard nook created out of the 10-foot welded precariously above on the first floor level of the house. Worth noting is the full height glazing around the master lounge space. This is a view of the bed in the master bedroom next to a full height glazing from which to appreciate the outside view right from the bedside. This is a view of the living room from the master bedroom lounge space, appreciating the double volume living space. Wow, this is the general setup and neighborhood of the property next to the ocean with greenery surrounding from every corner. This is a beautiful wooden deck with a private access to the ocean, creating an amazing outdoor facility to enjoy the serene coastal life around the property. The space has sitting around the wooden deck from which to appreciate the marine life and marine activities from this elevated vantage point. This is a view of the ground floor plan showing the main access, the entrance lobby. We have a galley kitchen, a big open plan living space with a double volume. We have this theater staircase to access the topmost level of the house. We have a private bedroom next to the staircase, accessed directly from the entrance lobby. From the living room, you can access this outdoor deck space and outdoor dining. From the living room, you can access this outdoor dining space with full height sliding glass doors. We have this pool deck area and the luxurious swimming pool to create an outdoor space to complement the indoor living. This glass connector links the private wing of the house with 2 bedrooms and a common bathroom, all accommodated within a 40-foot shipping container. On the uppermost level, this is the floor plan of the first floor level showing the bedroom with this 10-foot shipping container attached to create a bedroom nook, a private master bedroom lounge area. We have the bathroom and the walk-in closet, and from there you can also appreciate the double volume living space from this vantage position. This amazing property is worth every single detail and luxury levels that have been given to it both inside and out. If you like this shipping container house, give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.